Hello friends, welcome to Owusu's Kitchen. I am always so delighted to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make this easy but tasty noodles recipe and a quick tip on how you can boil your noodles without it sticking together. So if you are interested, please stay tuned and watch until the end so you don't miss anything. Welcome back friends, and I hope your day has been going just perfect. To get a non-sticking noodles, I am going to bring my water to a boil and cook the noodles. But then I'm only cooking it for about 90%, and when I feel it, it shouldn't be too soft to touch. Next, I'm going to stop the cooking process by transferring everything onto a colander and then pouring over cold water to it. This stops it from cooking any further and also to get rid of most of the starch. And the final thing I'll be doing to make sure that it doesn't end up being sticky when we are using it for our stir fry is to just add a little bit of oil to it and toss it over. This will definitely ensure that the noodles stays separated until you use it. If you are new here, hello, you are so very much welcome. I hope you do consider to join us by subscribing. Look at this. Now that we have prepped our noodles nicely, we will go over and fry our eggs in style. I added a little bit of salt to it. So once that is done, I'm going to fold it over and then we will be slicing it thinly to blend in nicely with the noodles. To begin, I'm going to fry some freshly minced garlic for about 1 minute only. Any longer it's going to burn. Next, to go in with the garlic are some thinly sliced chicken. I used regular chicken thighs and took the bones out. So I'll be seasoning it with some chicken seasoning, black pepper and basil, or akokomesa as we call it back in Ghana, to add awesome flavors onto the chicken right from the beginning. Okay, so friends, I'm going to cook the chicken until it has been thoroughly cooked. Then I will add my sliced onions together with green chilies. Right friends, so I'm going to stir fry this for about 2 minutes for the onions to release its sweetness onto the chicken and together with the rest of the spices to create that beautiful base for our stir fry noodles. I will now add some cabbage, which has also been thinly sliced. In fact, all the vegetables are thinly sliced just so it can blend in nicely with the shape of the noodles. I am now frying on a medium to high heat and will be frying each vegetables for only 30 seconds. This is to ensure that it retains some crunchiness and also its vibrant color. Okay, so I'll be frying on a high heat henceforth. Okay, so I just added the carrots and the green peppers as well as some yellow peppers, and now is the time to add our noodles. Look, up until now it is still very much separated. This ensures everything gets incorporated beautifully. Okay, and friends, I prefer to use 2 spoons to mix up my noodles stir fry because in this way it stops it from breaking them apart and it's quite efficient in putting everything together. Right, so we get to the stage where you can personalize your noodles to your taste. Of course, why not? In my case, I am using black chili sauce or shito. You can use green chili sauce, red chili sauce, or even sweet chili sauce. Any chili of your choice. It is your calling. After the shito, I added a little bit of the seasoning that came with the noodles in the pack. Okay, I decided not to add any more salt because there is salt in the shito, in the seasoning powder, as well as the chicken seasoning we used earlier on. So this is all right for me. I have now added in the fried eggs to finish it off. This is nice, simple, and quick to put together. And with all these veggies, it is healthy as well. Noodles, as you know, is such a comforting food to enjoy, especially when you are pressed for time. So I am sure you love this and will be so happy if you give it a try. Look at the color, just beautiful. Thank you so very much, my friends, for staying with me until the end of the video. I do appreciate you, and I thank you for allowing me to do what I am passionate about. Thank you for your support, for your likes, for your shares, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Until then, take care, stay blessed. Wishing you all the very best. Bye bye.